Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I will show you how to install the Lego Wedo app on your iPad. Okay, so this is the iPad and we want to install the Lego Wedo app on our iPad so we can do programming and we can make it super fun and easy. All right, so let's follow on. All right, so I've done a recording of my iPad and so I'll just show you how I'm doing it step by step. All right, so let me play this video over here. And now you can see that okay, now I'm just opening my app store. So I just opened my app store. In my app store I searched for We Do Lego, so you can just write We Do, WEDO Lego, and once you have the app, just click on Get. Now if your iPad has a password, it will ask you for a password. You'll have to put the password over here, and once you're done with the password, uh, it's gonna install and download this. This might take up to 30 seconds to 1 minute, so don't worry and give it a time. All right, so once it's done, I'm gonna go and we will have our next thing in which it says that it's done. It's gonna show us open once it's done. All right, so we will click on the open button and it'll then open our Redo app. All right, so once we have the Wedo app open, we're going to click access the microphone, okay, access the Bluetooth, okay, and then we press okay over here, and that's our system is up. We can click next, and click next over here, and we'll put get started over here, and we click on the first project over here. All right, the plus button, and you're going to click on the smart hub over here, and that's when, if your hub is open, you should see your hub over here. All right, so if your hub is open, we'll show you the class how to open your hub. Just switching on your hub, you press the button on the hub, and you'll see the hub coming over here. And that's if you connect to the hub, right? Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.